Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is the square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 8 raised to power 9. Now, let's prevent the solution from here. We have the square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 8. Everything here raised to power 9. We can express square root of 6 as square root of 3 times 2, then plus square root of 2. Everything here divided by square root of 8, which we can express as square root of 4 times 2. Everything here raised to power 9. The next step is that square root of 3 times 2. This is in the form of square root of a times b, which we can express as square root of a times square root of b. Applying this property from here, then this implies that we have the square root of 3 times square root of 2 plus square root of 2 from here divided by square root of 4 times 2. This can be expressed as square root of 4 times square root of 2. Everything here raised to power 9. Now this implies that here square root of 2 is common here, so we can factor out square root of 2, so that into the parentheses this is the same thing as square root of 3 plus 1, close the bracket, divided by square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2, then square root of 2. Everything here raised to the power of 9. The next step is to simplify here square root of 2 and square root of 2, so that now here we have square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Everything here raised to the power of 9. So from here, let x be equal to square root of 3 plus 1 over 2. Okay, so the question here is, what is the value of x to the power of 9? So what is the value of x to the power of 9? Let's call this equation 1. From equation 1, which is x equal to square root of 3 plus 1 over 2, this implies that we multiply both signs by 2 from here, so that now here is 2x. This is equal to 2 and 2 here simplifies, so that we have square root of 3 plus 1. Let's take plus 1 on the left hand side from here, so that now we have 2x minus 1. This is equal to square root of 3. Now, the next step from here is to square both signs from here, so that now 2x minus 1 squared, this is the same thing as 2x squared minus, we have 2 times 2x times 1, then plus 1. This is equal to square root of 3 raised to power 2. That implies we eliminate the square root sign. And therefore, here we have 4x to the power of 2. Then subtract 2 times 2x. This is 4x plus 1. This is equal to 3. Let's take 1 on the right hand side, so that now we have 4x squared. This is equal to, this is 3, minus 4x. Let's take minus 4x also on the right hand side, so that we have 4x plus 3 minus 1. So from here we have 4x squared. This is equal to 4x. 3 minus 1, this is plus 2. Let's call this equation 2. The next step from here, we have 4x squared. So let's square on both sides from here. So this will be equal to 4x plus 2. Everything here raised to power 2. So this implies that here, this is 4 squared, which is 16, x to the power of 4. This is equal to 4x plus 2 to the power of 2. This is the same thing as 4x squared plus 2 times 4x times 2, then plus 2 squared, which is equal to 4. Now, here we have 16x to the power of 4. This is equal to 4x to the power of 2, which is equal to 16x squared, then plus, this is 2 times 4x, this is 8x times 2, this is 16x, then plus 4. Now, 4 is common here. That implies that we can divide both signs. We can divide both signs by 4. So that here we have 16x to the power of 4 divided by 4. So this implies here, we divide here by 4. So this is 4x to the power of 4. This is equal to 16x squared divided by 4. This is 4x squared, then plus 16x divided by 4. This is 4x. So we have that 4x squared. This is what we have in equation 2. This is what we have in equation 2 here, which is 4x plus 2. Let's substitute this. So we have 4x to the power of 4. This is equal to 4x plus 2, then plus 4x. So therefore here we have 4x to the power of 4. This is equal to 4x plus 4x. This is equal to, remember here we also have 1. This is 4 divided by 4, which is 1. So we have plus 1 here. So now we have 4x plus 4x. This is equal to 8x, then plus 2 plus 1. This is equal to 3. The next step from here, let's square again on both sides. So that now this is 4 squared, which is equal to 16. X to the power of 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. This is equal to 8x plus 3 to the power of 2. This is the same thing as 8x squared. This is 64x squared plus, now here we have 8x times 3. That is equal to 24x times 2. This is 48x. Then plus 3 squared. This is equal to 9. The next step from here, we have 16x to the power of 8. This is equal to 16. We have here 16x to the power of 8. Then here we have 64x squared can be expressed as 16 times 4x squared plus 48x, then plus 9. So the next step from here, we have 16x to the power of 8. This is equal to 16 times, now 4x squared is what we have in equation 2 here, which is 4x plus 2. So let's substitute this. So here we have 4x plus 2, then plus 48x, then plus 9. So here we have 16x to the power of 8. This is equal to 16 times 4. Again here, this is 64x, then plus 16 times 2. This is 32, then plus 48x plus 9. So we have here 16x to the power of 8. This is equal to 64x. This is 64x plus 48x, and this is actually equal to 112x, then plus 32 plus 9. This is equal to 41. Now, the next step from here, remember, we need to get the value of x to the power of 9. X to the power of 9. So let's multiply both signs by x. So we have 16x to the power of 8 times x to the power of 1. This is equal to 112x plus 41, multiplying both signs by x. So that now this is 16x to the power of 8 times x to the power of 1 by applying the indices identity. So this is x to the power of 9. This is equal to 112x times x here. So this is 112 x to the power of 2, then plus 41x. The next step from here, we can express 112x squared as, this can be expressed as, this is the same thing as 28 times 4x to the power of 2 plus 4x. Since we have that 4x squared is the same thing as equation 2, which is 4x plus 2. So therefore here we have 16x to the power of 9. This is equal to 28 into the parentheses 4x plus 2. 4x plus 2, close the bracket here, then plus, this is 41x. We have 41x. Now the next step from here, we have 16x to the power of 9. This is equal to 28 times 4x, which is 112x, then plus 28 times 2, this is equal to 56, then plus 41x. Okay, so we have 16x to the power of 9. This is equal to 112x plus 41x, and this is equal to 153x plus 56. We have 16x to the power of 9. This is equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 153 over 2. Since 56 is the whole number, so this is over 1. So from here we have 16x to the power of 9. This is equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 153 over 2. From here, then this implies that from here, remember this is 56 over 1. So this implies that we have here the LCM as 2. So this is 16x to the power of 9. This is equal to, the LCM is 2 here. 2 divided by 2, this is 1 times 153 square root of 3 plus 153. Then plus 2 divided by 1 here. This is 2 times 56. This is 112. So that now this is 16x to the power of 9. This is equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 153 plus 112. This is 265. Everything here divided by 2. The next step is to multiply both signs by 1 over 16. So let's multiply everything here by 1 over 16. So let's simplify here, so that now we have x to the power of 9. This is equal to 153 square root of 3, then plus 265 divided by 16 times 2, which is equal to 32. So this implies, remember here, we are saying that, if you recall, we are saying that, right, x be equal to square root of 3 plus 1 over 2. So substituting this implies that we have that from here, square root of 3 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 9. This is equal to 153. So here we let x equal to square root of 3 plus 1 over 2. So this implies that here we have square root of 3 plus 1 over 2 raised to the power of 9. And this is equal to 153 square root of 3 plus 265 divided by 32. So this implies that the solution to this square root problem, which is square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 8 raised to the power of 9. This is equal to 153 square root of 3, then plus 265 divided by 32. So this is the solution to this square root math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.